Hi, your writing is very good. We just talk about some little problem, okay? This is a 3. When you write a 3, you have to remember the first 2 lines is shorter than the bottom one. This line should be the longest one, okay? And 8, you don't have to write in this way. This is the printing version. You just need to write to slope in this way and with a wide open. That's it. And the 9, this one you did very good. And this part, I want you to make this one longer, okay? And if it is okay, you can have a little hook, but it is okay if no. But this line should be longer, okay? And the problem of the 2 is similar to the 3. The first line is shortened, and the second one is the longest one, make it longer. And the 4, the first one you write good, you write in this way. Yeah, that's okay. But inside, the 4 can be right in 2 strict line. Just make sure that these 2 lines is close to each other. And then the 0, you did good. But I want you to separate them into two parts. Yeah, 2 parts. This one is ring, and the second part is that you can imagine there's line here and start another part here. They are close. They are close to each other, but there is a small space to separate each of them. Okay, lin, the 0, and then the that is okay. This one, and then the second exercise 2, your 3 and 2 is not so good, and the 5 you write in this way. You miss this part. Okay, I think this is a careless mistake, but you need to concentrate when you do the writing, because there is a lot of stroke in some word. And then the exercise 4, it is okay, but you have to remember how to write the 3, 8, 9, 0, and then you forgot the Tuesday. Yeah. And when you do the yue, okay, write this way. This one is a little bit curved at the end, and with a little hook on the right. 2 line, okay. And qi, okay, xin qi. Basically, you did the wrong thing of the xin qi. Okay, xin is this one 日, and then 1, 2, 3, and then you say vertical line to connect them together, but you miss the little slope here. Xin, and then qi, you miss one stroke. There should be 2 strokes inside, okay, and then longer one, 2 little necks, and then yue. This yue is yue. Stroke at the end and little hook on the right hand side. And then and then be careful the Saturday and the March. The yue is not so you write in this way. Okay, be careful, okay. And there is no problem. Yeah, the November, the yue you haven't did very good, and then you haven't do the Thursday, and then you haven't do the Sunday. Yep. And then the exercise 3, you don't have to write the pinyin, okay? We don't need. Also, be aware of the number 3, number 8, and the 9. And you haven't finished the Sunday, okay? You just did some of them. For example, you have done the sin but the qi, you just write this part. Okay, you haven't finished the other, and you haven't write the 日 or 天. Okay, when you do the writing, if you think it is so tired, just leave it to tomorrow. Don't have to force yourself to do some low quality the work. Okay, you just need to concentrate to do 1 or 2 exercise every day. Yeah, but you have to make it good. Okay, and then the other word is also Papa. Yeah, for example, the 7, the July, you write the 7 in this way. Okay, but I think you are so tired because the other 7 you did very good. Yeah, that's it. And basically, I think you did the writing very good, but just put more. Just you have to more concentrate. If you think you are very tired, you just take a rest and finish the other in the next day. It is good if you can do 3 or 4 exercises in 1 day, but if you can't, just do 1 or 2 exercises is also okay. Okay.